stars of the movie, Keisha.
Yes,
Good to see you.
How you doing, everyone?
Oh my God. Beautiful.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here. Congratulations, Anita. You did it, girl.
And this gentleman today.
My last Beyonce's high heel.
All right, so we're gonna let me ask you something. So your character in the movie. Tell me a little bit about your character in Muffin.
Okay, Muffin is a sassy Jamaican. Okay, and Muffin is a sassy Jamaican side chick. That friend that you want to ride with you, that friend that's gonna, ride or die, that's Muffin. That's me.
Yeah, and I want to say, I have been looking at your profile and your resume. I just want to let everyone know that this is a very good inspiration in Baltimore. She has a PhD. She is a college graduate, as well as. Tell me more, Star.
I'm an author. I'm a bestseller, New York bestseller published author.
The movie Jamaican Me Crazy.
Yes. Get the book Jamaican Me Go Crazy, available everywhere books are sold right now. We have our own independent publishing company. It's Start Publishing, me and my fiance Ty Hill right now. And so that's what we're pushing the book. We starting our organization, nonprofit organization, giving back to the community.
So was this your first acting role?
Yes, it was. So y'all be easy on me.
And you did a beautiful job.
Thank you.
It's just an inspiration to see young black women out here pursuing their dreams, just like the movie Good Dreams.
Yeah.
I just like to say that you're an inspiration for black women all over, because guess what? In every hood, there is a dream. And this is a person right here that's pursuing their dreams. And Muffin, we are glad to have you here today.
Thank you.